Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is a follow-up video to the one opening box from Lexington, Kentucky. I buy Goodwill boxes from all over the states, but this one came from Lexington, Kentucky. Actually, I bought it from Louisville, and somehow they send it to me from Lexington. This is the second time they do that, and I don't like that because boxes comes from Louisville. It comes nice and had good stuff. The stuff comes from Lexington is not good at all, and you'll be the judge and see what's in the box. I usually, as I said in the previous video, I open the box, show you the unboxing, and then untangle the stuff and put it on the table like now and organize it by chain, necklaces, and show you what came in the box. So you'll make a decision if you wanted to buy any of these boxes. So basically here I got pearls, nice pearls, but not none of these are real pearls or genuine pearls. This is beautiful, and I got a bracelet that to match, so I put them together. This one is brand name Jones, New York, but that one has no brand name. Some of the pearls, like this one, very cheap. That's probably $1 necklace, but the others are worth a little bit more. I did not get anything brand name except 2 or 3 pieces. We're gonna go through it. That's the one that we talked about is Jones, New York, and I got another one here. This pendant, the chain, it has a tag. It says Avon. So I don't know if you can see it. Okay, that's Avon. Beside that, one bracelet I'll show you next. Nice statement necklaces, and this one beautiful also. None of the stuff I got silver or gold, so so you know. I got some earrings here. I put all the earrings together here. That is beautiful earring. Right there, all these earrings. Those are missing the hoop or whatever that you put in your ear. Those two, those came as like three. So I just put them together. Those are earrings, and all this came single earrings. So that is also craft. As for bracelets, I got 2 bangles. I don't know what kind of material is this, and if you know, please comment below. Let me know. I'm new at this, and I'm still learning. I'll be learning the rest of my life, you know. But I've never seen bangles oval like that. So please let me know if you know what material and what brand is that. That would be awesome. This is the second one that came with a brand name. I cannot read it right now. I can Tracy Lynn. I am not familiar with that brand. So again, if you have any comment, help me below. That would be great. I really appreciate it. I got a couple of bracelets here. Some of them are nice, some of them not. I did not see toggle clasp square or rectangle like this before, but I got one, two, and another one, which is this one right here. This is an ankle bracelet. So I got 3 of them. And if that's a good brand, that will be a little bit more money than what I spent. So that will be great. But I'm not sure what brand is that. I need your help. Got a couple of rings. I think somebody made that, handmade. The rest is plastic and their Halloween stuff, I guess, orangey. Some necklaces here and pendant. They said it's 5 pounds bag or box. This by itself is probably 2 pounds. And I don't know what kind of material is this. I am not really sure. Forgive me, I'm using the pencil because my fingernails are not done, so I don't want to bore you. Is that? So please let me know, what is this? Is it worth anything? Or is it good material or not? I am not sure. This is a nice necklace, but it's missing a lot of stones here and here. So don't know what to do with that. That will be craft for sure. Other stuff are very, very dirty and needs cleaning. And back to the pearls. Like I said, some of them good, some of them not. And that's basically what I got in the box. I don't know what is this pink material. It is light and I don't think it's expensive. This is not real coral. It's very cheap thingy. Get some. This looks like Chico, but it's not. It does not say on it, so I don't know. Some leather necklaces, and one says friendship pendant on it. Got also a couple of pendant here, and those are missing stone here, and this is missing also. So that's about it. That's what you get in these boxes. I hope that helped you in any way. So if you want to order any of these boxes, at least you know there is some good, some bad. Can you make your money? I am not really sure. I have not sold anything so far. I listed some of them on eBay. If you want to go check my channel on eBay or store, that would be great. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment about my videos or the merchandise, you want to buy any of them, please let me know. Just give me a comment below and we get in touch that way. And don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. That will help my channel. Appreciate it. Have a good and wonderful day. See you soon.